We're now learning that Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has dismissed the bail plea filed by Manish Sisodia in the liquor gate scandal. This is the latest that we are bringing to you, that Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court has dismissed the bail plea that was filed by Manish Sisodia. For more details, Ananya continues to stay with us. Ananya, should we now expect Manish Sisodia to be approaching the Delhi High Court?
Well, definitely that's the next step available for Manish Sisodia in the Enforcement Directorate's money laundering case as well. But now very, very clearly, since the order is not out yet, we don't know exact reasons for what Manish Sisodia has been denied bail. But we should remember that since he was not even granted bail in the Central Bureau of Investigation case, which has much lower threshold when it comes to grant of bail in Enforcement Directorate cases, in cases involving the stringent section of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, there is a special provision, Section 45, which says that there needs to be the twin conditions laid down under Section 45, which are very, very stringent in nature, shall be satisfied if accused is to be granted bail in this case. Whether Manish Sisodia is called the kingpin, whether there is some role attributed to him, is something that we'll get to know in short while from now, when the recent order of, in fact, Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court would be out in this
What
case.
What was the ED's contention while opposing the bail plea?
Well, ED has constantly submitted before the court that he had played an orchestral part in fact, creating, implementing and disseminating this excise policy and the whole criminal conspiracy, where in 90 to 100 crores of kickbacks were meant for Manish Sisodia and his colleagues at the GNCTD. In fact, the Enforcement Directorate also pointed out that, there is a mail trail that has been found wherein it has been seen that fake public comments were actually sought in order to show that the policy was made in public good, but those were fabricated feedbacks that were given out by people knowing Manish Sisodia and knowing the people in Delhi government, and that's the reason fabricated public comments were given. Apart from that, it was also said that if at all Manish Sisodia is granted bail in this particular case, then he is very well capable of arm twisting the witnesses in this case. There is a threat that looms on the witnesses, and also evidence can be tampered with, and he has already attempted to do so by destroying various phones at the day when the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi had actually recommended a CBI probe into this whole excise policy scam case.
Thank you, Ananya, for bringing in the latest. We'll keep coming back to you as and when the order copy arrives. And with that, it's time to cut to a short break. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.